Welcome to another Math Olympiad Exponential problem. In this session we will solve this exponential expression. 49 to the power of n minus 42 to the power of n is equal to 36 to the power of n. Divide both sides by 49 to the power n. 49 to the power n over 49 to the power n minus 42 to the power n over 49 to the power n is equal to 36 to the power n over 49 to the power n. 49 to the power n over 49 to the power n will give us 1. So expression will be now 1 minus 42 to the power n over 49 to the power n is equal to 36 to the power n over 49 to the power n. In next step, 1 minus 42 over 49 whole power n is equal to 36 over 49 whole power n. We have applied property, if a to the power of n over b to the power n powers are same, then it can be written as a over b whole power n. In this step, 1 minus 42 over 49, numerator and denominator divide by 7, which is now 6 over 7 and whole power n. On right hand side, numerator and denominator written as square of number, which is now 6 to power of 2 over 7 to power of 2 and whole power n. In following step, 1 minus 6 over 7 and whole power n is equal to 6 over 7 whole power 2 and whole power n. In further step, in right hand side we have interchanged the whole powers. You will see the expression now. 1 minus 6 over 7 and whole power n is equal to 6 over 7 whole power n and whole power 2. We have applied the property a over b whole power m and whole power n is equal to a over b whole power n and whole power m. Now we going to substitute x for 6 over 7 and whole power n. Let x is equal to 6 over 7 and whole power n. So equation will be now 1 minus x is equal to x square. We arrange the terms of this quadratic equation further. X square plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. To find the roots of quadratic equation we are applying formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac over 2a. To find the roots we have applied value of coefficients of xa, b, c in formula. On calculation we get x is equal to minus 1 plus minus under the root 5 over 2. Now, two roots are x is equal to minus 1 plus under the root 5 over 2 and x is equal to minus 1 minus under the root 5 over 2 and. In next step, replacing x with 6 over 7 whole power n to roots and verifying validity of each root. Let's look into the second root. Right hand side of the root will give negative value and left hand side will give positive value, which violate the equality. This root is rejected. And first root is 6 over 7 will give .8571 and minus 1 plus under the root 5 over 2 will give .6180. So now it will look like .8571 to the power of n is equal to .6180. Applying log on both sides. Hence, log of .8571 to the power of n is equal to log of .6180. n multiply log of .8571 is equal to log of .6180. Log of .8571 is 0.0669 and log of .6180 is .2090. n multiply by minus 0.0669 is equal to minus .2090. n is equal to minus 0.0669 over minus .2090. So value of n is 3.12.